morning, welcome back to the video.
Oh, it's bright early this morning, 4 o'clock.
We're about to start a new adventure, but first we're going to go grab breakfast.
And then we've got a plane to catch, just somewhere exciting.
Wrong way? No. We're back at the hotel, we're all ready to go. Short walk to the airport here from the Hampton by Hilton at London Stansted, that's where we're flying from. And you'll soon find out where we're going. The Christmas jumpers might give it away, or maybe not. We've boarded and we're hopefully taken off on time. Next stop, if you haven't guessed, it's Tallinn in Estonia.
I think it's about 2.5 hour, 3 hour flight, is it?
Welcome to Tallinn. It's overcast, it's grey. We've just sat down to the bite to eat, and then we're going to go pick up our car and go to our first spot in Tallinn.
Our new baby for the next few days.
Right, we've made it. We've made it to our rental car just behind us. I'm going to hit the road now and head and go see a waterfall.
Yes, before we lose daylight.
And then head to the hotel.
And then use the spa and relax. So we've arrived at the waterfall. I don't know how you pronounce it, being with a J. We'll write it on the screen here. Look, there's a little coffee machine in the car park.
So we've made it to the waterfall. It's a short drive just outside the city centre. Emma said that in winter, because it's wintered out, not today though, temperatures could get as low as -10. And that results in the waterfall starting to freeze. But not today, it's a bit warmer today, thankfully. So we're leaving the waterfall and we've got the short drive to the parking, which is about then I think a 5-minute, 10-minute walk to the hotel.
The waterfall's like about 15 minutes outside of Tallinn.
Yeah. So we're going to get back on the road and go get the car parked and then head and check into the hotel.
And if you are hiring a car when you come to Estonia, make sure you stop here. It's beautiful. Just like gutted. Like in the winter, it actually freezes over. It's meant to be absolutely stunning. But unfortunately, they've got quite a mild winter at the minute.
By the side of the tram, you can see we've made it into the city centre. Just heading to our hotel. So it's a short walk from where we parked the car. The car parking is €6 for 24 hours. So it worked out a little bit cheaper for a 10-minute walk to the hotel instead of the hotel parking for us on this occasion. lady in the room. Somebody's just, I don't know what she's doing.
Looking for my photos.
Looking for her photos. We've been a bit cheeky and we've ordered their room service, just pizza and chips. And we're going to go for a little walk to a supermarket, not supermarket. It was an early start this morning. We're going to go for a walk to a shopping centre that's just around the corner, see what there is there.
That waterfall we saw today.
Another waterfall, yeah.
On today's episode. Remember what it's called? It is called Jägala Juga Waterfall, and it is the biggest waterfall in the Baltic countries, Estonia, and it is like known as one of the world's most beautiful waterfalls. And if you come in the winter, it freezes over. It's meant to be truly
Tea should be here shortly. Food.
Food has arrived. Hotel room food, you can't beat it. Truffle pizza. So good.
Right, we might as well leave you here. We're going to head ourselves down to the spa.
We've got a little clip in here of the full spa. We're not taking our phones down, but we managed to see it from the view from above. It looks beautiful.
We'll see you soon. Next week, / tomorrow.
When we actually explore Old Town Tallinn.
See you soon.
See you for now, guys.